if you're looking for some inspiration for Mother's Day, we have you sorted. This crispy pork leg and baked vegetables makes the perfect Sunday roast. And better yet, it all costs only $35, including dessert. Today, we're joined by Coles ambassador, Courtney Roulston, for Cooking with Coles. Courtney, morning to you.
Good morning, Matt.
This smells and looks absolutely sublime. You're starting with the pork. How do we prep it?
We are. Look, everyone loves crispy pork.
Yep.
Especially on a, Sunday roast. So the pork comes in a plastic pack. What you want to do the night before, so tonight, get your pork, take it out of the plastic, put it on a tray in the fridge, dry it with paper towel. You can put a little bit of salt on it and leave it uncovered overnight. That's the key to crispy anything. Crispy barramundi skin, crispy chicken skin. Uncover it, get it out of the plastic, because moisture is what's the enemy of crackle.
Moist.
It's the enemy of crackle. So that's my top tip. Get it out, dry it out overnight, salt it, and then hot oven to start.
Can we just enjoy the audio of a knife tap on the roof of that? Just... Oh, lovely.
See?
Lovely, Courtney.
There's a few different ways.
That's magnificent.
There's a few different ways to do it, but that's my go-to. Dry it out. Hot oven for about 220 for about 30-40 minutes, turn it down and let it cook through.
I actually did a roast pork for the family yesterday.
How'd you go?
And it was, well, apparently it tasted good.
I'd like to speak to them on the slide and find out the truth.
It wasn't that easy though, because I was trying to get the temperature right.
You know, Matt can be the crackle decider.
Oh my God.
So how long in the oven then?
Great treats.
That is one of your joys, isn't it, in life?
My goodness,
You've got three.
It's one of my three
We've got to make sure if Dad is cooking with the kids, all the crackles are not eaten before it makes it to the table tomorrow.
Okay, so sorry, how long in the oven all up?
Roughly 30 to 35 minutes
220.
500 grams.
Oh, yeah, okay, there you
35
go.
minutes, 220.
And then you turn the oven down to 180.
Yeah.
And
How
give
long do you
about
leave it
an
on
hour.
180? Another
about
hour.
An hour.
Yeah, about another hour.
Roughly
My question.
35 minutes per 500 grams.
Yeah.
It's on the back of the pack too. We make it really easy.
See?
And
How good.
For the idiots among us, it's on the back of the pack.
This is a great menu. I mean, look, I know lots of kids want to get in the kitchen and cook. Help. They want to help. This is great. I mean, look, the $35 pack that Coles have come up with, pork, potatoes, roasting veggies that come with garlic and rosemary, chocolate lava cakes.
That's actually
and a bit of dollop cream.
Really good value, isn't
It's
it?
great value to feed 4 people.
Wouldn't think you'd get dessert for that as well.
So the potatoes are already done?
No, you put 2 holes in them, get the kids to do that.
You've got all the, it's
microwave
got all the
for
bits
6.
on. It's got the bits.
Butter and parsley.
Yeah, see?
It's ready to
Bits.
go. So it's great. The vegetables, they're
Foolproof.
chopped. So the kids can help put the oil and the salt and they can help cook it without sharp knives or anything being involved. And look, it looks fantastic.
And dessert?
Dessert, chocolate lava cakes. I mean, look, there's a couple here ready to go. Mon, 40 seconds in the
Look
microwave.
at Mum drop everything when there's a chocolate lava cake ready for sampling.
This is
40
a
seconds
mic
in the
drop.
microwave.
Thank you very much.
Mic drop situation.
They're so easy. You don't need to spend hours and hours to make Mum happy or your loved ones happy tomorrow.
You just stay in your lane. Stay in your lane. I know what I'm doing. This is not my first rodeo.
That is delicious.
It's delicious, it's stress-free, and it's super affordable as well, which I think is what everyone wants tomorrow, you know.
Yum. That is really good.
That is really good.
It's actually really nice.
Why are you looking at me so creepily?
Because I could only imagine you ever cooking that.
It's a good Sunday, Matt. I bought you
You've got it all sorted.
Yeah.
What more could one want?
Well, a bunch of flowers.
And I'll grab those from Mum too.
You're sorted.
Everything's sorted. You've really looked after me here.
Courtney, as always, you can find the full recipe in the Cooking with Coles section on the Sunrise website.
If Mum's not watching, I could probably get away with giving her those.
I think she's watching. Paula, we're not going to let him steal those.
You've really stitched me up now.